Clear all selections and close the Attributes pane. In the Geoprocessing pane, open the Make Feature Layer tool. Set the input features to states. Name the output layer New England States. Enter the expression subregion is equal to New England. In the Field Info section, uncheck all fields except state name, population, and the race fields, white, black, etc. Hint: use Shift-click to select blocks of fields and turn them all on or off with a single click. Run the tool. Open and examine the table for the New England States layer. Close it when finished.